How to create a website with Hostinger, step-by-step tutorial. Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on creating a website with Hostinger. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of setting up a website from scratch, including choosing a domain name, selecting a hosting plan, and designing your website. To get started, you'll need to sign up for a Hostinger account. Go to the Hostinger website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the registration form with your email address, password, and other details. Once you've created your account, you'll receive an email with a verification link. Click on the link to activate your account. Next, you'll need to choose a domain name for your website. Hostinger offers a range of domain extensions, including .com, .net, and .io. Choose a domain name that's easy to remember and relevant to your website's content. Once you've chosen your domain name, click on the Next button to proceed. Now, let's select a hosting plan. Hostinger offers a range of hosting plans, including shared hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated hosting. For most users, a shared hosting plan is sufficient. Choose a plan that meets your needs and click on the Next button to proceed. Once you've selected your hosting plan, you'll need to set up your website's DNS settings. This will allow your website to be accessible to the public. Hostinger will guide you through the process of setting up your DNS settings. Now, let's design your website. Hostinger offers a range of website builders, including the Hostinger Website Builder and the WordPress platform. Choose a website builder that meets your needs and click on the Next button to proceed. Using the website builder, you can create a website from scratch. Choose a template, add content, and customize your website's design. Once you've created your website, click on the Publish button to make it live.